Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the facts that Apple requires, a clear proof of purchase and the device serial or IMEI. Once done, contact the prior owner immediately and ask them to remove the Ipod from their iCloud account via iCloud. Com or Find My. If you have a transfer receipt instead of the original sale receipt, make sure it shows seller name, buyer name, date, and device details. These items start the legitimate removal process and save you time at support. Next, reach out to Apple support or book a Genius Bar appointment. You will present your proof of purchase and ID. Explain that the device is activation locked and that you are the lawful owner or an authorized recipient. Make sure the serial/IMEI you wrote down matches the device. Discrepancies slow the process. Apple will verify documents and may escalate to activation lock removal if ownership is confirmed, so stay patient and follow their instructions precisely during this verification. Finally, follow Apple's official confirmation steps. If they approve, they will remove the activation lock or provide a clear path to completion. If Apple cannot approve, ask them to specify exactly what documentation is missing and whether an escalation or notarized affidavit helps. Make copies of everything you submit and track case numbers. Troubleshooting tip. If your proof is borderline, gather additional corroborating evidence, bank transfer receipts, emails, or a notarized seller statement to strengthen your claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.